What is up, everybody? It is Brian with First Shot Tactical, back with another video for you here today. And today we are going to be doing an unboxing for a Tier 1 concealed holster that I ordered for this P365XL that has a TLR7 sub light on it, as well as a Romeo red dot. So with that, I got the box here. Let's go ahead and see what all it comes with. So they actually sent it in like a pretty large box here that I just opened. So I'm just gonna bring what's in the box onto camera here. We have this duffel bag, and it feels like the holster's actually in there. And then as well, we have some stickers and some literature, and that's it in the box. So let's go ahead and see what exactly we got. Yep, these are some Tier 1 concealed stickers. Those are pretty cool. Be putting those on something. Then it gives you, looks like just like some kind of brochures, welcome to the Tier 1 team, some info, holster hardware, some information about it as well. Pretty cool. And then it actually comes in a duffel bag with their logo on it too. So that's nice. You can use that as like a gym bag or something. And then, of course, we have the main thing we paid for, the holster. Awesome, looks cool. Let's go ahead and get a look at this. So for mine, I ordered the Axis Elite, and I did black with the red cord here as well. And then I did just the standard, what is this, like the attachments to put it on your belt. There was some other option that cost more, but I did not do that. Then as far as the sweat guard, I did the mid here. And then for the magazine, I did yes to having an extended mag here. And all that does is I think it sits this like a little lower on the holster rather than higher. So that way, if you have a mag extension up top, it'll bring it down a bit. So that's all it did. So as well, I had to add on the TLR sub light on this holster. So that way it can fit that as well, which it does. But overall, it looks pretty cool. I mean, standard Kydex, but it does have a cool look to it. If you look here, they even have like the T and then a 1 here, like their logo, as well as on all their clips. Tier 1 concealed, Tier 1 concealed. So definitely quality as far as, branding and a cool look to it, but kind of ironic because the whole point is this is going to be concealed and hidden away anyway. But overall, quality build, looks awesome. I'm excited to try it out. As far as fit for going in, let's go ahead and take a look at that. Right here, it'll go in like so, locks in. And then again, we have the magazine, point it that way, and that locks in as well. And I know for all these, you have these tension screws as well. So if you want it looser or tighter for the mag or for the pistol itself, you can go ahead and adjust that as far as the retention, but feels like it's pretty good as far as retention already. I mean, anymore, you're just gonna be rubbing hardware and, wearing your gun more. And yeah, same for the mag. That seems pretty solid already, but only one way is to do some draws and practice with it and get it to the tension you want. But out of the box, seems pretty good so far. So let's talk in general about this holster and its functionality and how it works. So I did wear this around for about 3 days now and tried it out, and it's one of those things where you hate spending money on, but when you do and you use it, you totally say it's justified and it's worth it. This is one of those purchases. It is worth it 110%. I really hated, I want to say it was like $170 for this whole setup with the light and the whatever else, and that was without any fancy color add-ons. So I hated spending that much on a holster, but man, once you wear this for a couple days and, get used to it, it is pretty awesome, and it is pretty comfortable too. I think one of the things that help with the comfort is having this mag part on here. It allows it to, instead of be flat against your belly here, it actually contours to the shape of your body around like your hips. I wear it in the front on the appendix, so it curves right around perfectly and helps conceal it. The other part that really helps is this guy over here. And I know some companies have some kind of add-on like this, like they call it a wing or something like that. But this guy does a lot of work as far as not allowing this grip up here to print through your clothing. So basically this allows your belt line and your pants to stick out to here off your body. And rather, if this wasn't here, your clothing line would rub right against here. But since it's here, your clothing line now has a, kind of a cut like this to contour around your body. So this does not print at all. I've worn t-shirts, I've worn button-ups, and it is very, very minimal. I am amazed by it, honestly. And as far as comfort, I talked a little bit about that. The awesome thing about this is it sits higher up in general on your body. So if you're getting in and out of a car, this isn't going into your crotch. It's more up on your belly. And then when you sit, it's comfortable as well. Like, I don't know what kind of magic they did. It is pretty awesome, like I said. So that's why I was okay spending the money on it, or especially actually, using it now. I justify it as well better, but pretty awesome. Overall, if you're looking at a holster, definitely check them out. I know there's a couple other brands on the market, but honestly, they're all priced about the same in that 150, 160 price range or so if you're doing the mag with the holster. So at that point, you might as well go with the best. And I think these guys have a great name in the industry as far as holsters go. And again, you're not going to be disappointed once you actually utilize this or try it out. It's comfortable, it's reliable, it works well as far as the retention and stuff. And yeah, you're going to be happy with it. So if you guys have questions, let me know down in the comments on this. I'll have an update on this later on, wear it around a little bit more, do some videos with it. So stay tuned for that. If this was helpful, like and subscribe to the channel. I'll have some more videos coming, like I just said. And until next time, have fun shooting, and we'll see you soon. Thanks, everybody.